Okay, gentlemen, our problems with the PT2522 is these holes right here not being in true position. That stems from this first operation from these counter bores. What I've proposed is to, as you can tell, we're going to make a fixture that's going to pin the counter bores to keep it in line for these features here. To show you a quick little part of it, it would be here. This is what the fixture is going to look like. We can clock any of these holes at 0 to pick up our timing to mill this front counter bore. And we will be mounting from the back via our manufacturing holes. So we'll be drawing it up flat face. So this side will be coming off the first op, second op has to line up here. This will actually treat it as a gauge also to make sure that all holes are in true position, or it will not slide onto this fixture. So that's a secondary way of checking the true position. It's my utmost confidence that if it comes off the multis as we plan, hence 2/4, we'll have no more of these issues. This will just be an added level of protection for us. If you gentlemen have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.